Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is G Basha from Kadapa district, Andhra Pradesh. Now I came to Patiala district, Punjab to join in Australian forklift driving school, specifically high reach and counterbalance forklift. Here now I joined in July month, and also have successfully learned both high reach and counterbalance forklift operations. Also have completed my training in August 8th. Now my overall training experience was very good, and most important, the trainers are very supportive, and my technical training was very excellent. Also I am very confident to operate in both high reach and counterbalance forklifts. So if anyone wants to learn forklift driving, I highly recommend to join Australian Forklift Driving School, Patiala, Punjab. So finally, once again, thank you so much to Australian Forklift Driving School management and my trainers. Thank you.